Pepe coin holders, we have not seen this in a very, very long time. And I think this is a massive opportunity right now for a lot of the Ethereum based projects, especially if you missed the big run up starting in November. And in this video, we're going to break down exactly what's going on with Pepe coin. We are back down, guys, to a $4 billion market cap. Keep in mind, at its peak, we were up over 11 billion. That means we have a 3x opportunity right here in front of us to get back to all time highs. But I think we're going to go much higher, but we need a few things to happen. And I'm going to give you guys those few things in this video. So make sure you guys stick around until the very end. I promise you it'll be jam-packed with value here. Also, real quick, click that subscribe button. I know there's a ton of people interested in Pepe content, as well as, other Ethereum-based cryptos. So we cover a lot of that right here on the channel. And if you guys don't know, if you're brand new, Shiba Inu actually built my channel way back in 2020, 2021, when it burst on the scene and absolutely went parabolic. It was a wild, wild time in crypto. Retail was racing to get in. And man, what a crazy time. I remember live streams where we had, 22, 23,000 people hanging out with us. And I think something similar could be in the works with Pepe. You just have to be patient, right? It's not all going to happen at once. We're still waiting on that big retail push this cycle. And trust me, I know what it feels like. It feels like it's never going to come. It feels like, you're just grasping for straws right now because the market's in this weird place. I would highly encourage you guys to just stay the course, hang in there, whether you're investing in Pepe, SHIB, Ethereum, whatever it is, wherever you have conviction. Okay. As long as it's based on sound research and you're not just listening to somebody and following suit, it has to be your decision. And you've got to just be patient because this market, when it goes parabolic. And you don't want to be chasing the green candles. You want to be in now. You want to be buying on the red days. And well, we've had a great opportunity here in the market. Big pullback. This is the time, guys. This is how you make money in crypto. You buy the fear. You buy the red. And there's been a ton of fear in the markets, especially when it comes to Pepe. But let's zoom out a little bit. We're still a top 30 crypto. We're ranked number 29, okay, on the big board, $4 billion market cap. Keep in mind, Pepe just got listed to all the top tier exchanges, right? We just got a Coinbase listing. We just got a Binance listing. We just got a Robinhood listing. Why is this important? This is going to be necessary when retail comes back. You want to be on all the top platforms. This is where your normal, average, everyday investor, when they decide to get in crypto, this is where they go. They go to Coinbase, they go to Robinhood, or they go to Binance, depending on which part of the world they're from. And we've checked all those boxes. Okay, so that's good. And I say this is a big opportunity because Pepe is an Ethereum-based crypto. Okay, so Pepe is a token, not a coin, meaning it doesn't have its own blockchain. It runs on top of the Ethereum blockchain. Well, what's Ethereum been doing lately? Not very much at all. It's been struggling. But if you still have conviction that Ethereum is going to make a run, which I do, right? We're sitting here at 2,600, guys. Ethereum right now should be 7K. I mean, there's a lot of reasons why it's not. It should be $7,000 or $8,000, given where Bitcoin is. It's not there right now. But eventually, I think we're going to see the rotation of capital come back into ETH. And a great way to get exposure to Ethereum without directly investing in Ethereum are the tokens underneath it. They're going to be much smaller market caps, meaning they can have big multipliers. Now, there's more risk there, obviously, too. So you got to be okay with that, right? But at one point, Pepe was nearly a $12 billion market cap. That's about a 3x away from where we are right now. Here's the weekly chart, guys, on Pepe. We are essentially back down where we were in the beginning of November. So if you miss this big run up from November from like the 8.5 range all the way up to breaking a zero, basically we did a 4x within a month. If you miss that, you're right back here with a similar opportunity right in front of you again. Like, here you go. Clean slate, great opportunity to get in, right? Not financial advice. Don't just listen to me. Listen to a lot of voices. Use this, in your research. Use this as part of kind of your overall conception of what you want to do and how you want to play the markets. But where I like to find value are cryptos that are selling off more than they should. I want to find the cryptos that not hardly anybody's talking about right now, right? That are significantly down from their all-time highs. Sentiment is low. The candles are coming down. Everybody's zigging. I want to zag, right? You want to zag when everybody's zigging, or zag when everybody, you get it, right? You want to do the opposite, honestly. This is how you make it in crypto. Because if you're just following the herd, you're probably late. Okay. So you've got to have conviction in things and see things before the market sees it. And we're making guesses. Like, I'm not saying, you know, I'm almighty, high or whatever. You're making a guess, but it's an educated guess, right? You're not just throwing a dart and hoping it hits bullseye. You're actually taking things for what they are. And that's why I'm walking you guys through this. Again, it's an Ethereum based crypto. Ethereum has been significantly depressed in this market. But if you believe Ethereum one day is going to be $7,000, $8,000 in this bull run or beyond, which I do, where is Pepe going to be? Where is SHIB going to be? Where are these top ERC20 cryptos, which run on the Ethereum blockchain? Where are these going to be? They're going to be much higher. If you go back to the previous cycle, Ethereum would go up 20%, SHIB would go up 60%, 80%. That's what I'm saying, right? So now you're getting exposure to a top tier blockchain through the tokens that are running on top of it. The great thing about Pepe too, and this is something that differentiates it from SHIB, it has not seen a full-fledged bull market. It's newer. Okay. This thing only launched in 2023. It's brand new. Now, there's risk there, obviously, but the upside potential is much bigger, right? Because we haven't had the crazy FOMO event, fear of missing out, like we did with SHIB, like we did with Dogecoin. Okay. Pepe's newer, meaning it's a much smaller market cap too. If you take a look at the top, meme coins by market cap, you've got Dogecoin at 37 billion, definitely in a league of its own. You've got SHIB at 9.4 billion. You got Pepe at 4 billion. So it's less than half of what SHIB's market cap is. There could be a ton of potential here, guys. Ton of potential. And that's all I want to tell you. Keep this on your radar. And I will say this before we get up on out of here. When this rally starts, it's hard to pinpoint it. It's hard to know. One of the things you can do to have an edge in this market is take a look at XT Algo. This is my trading indicator. And the reason why I launched this back in 2023 was to give us an edge. I honestly, guys, selfishly launched this for me first, just to see if it would work. Paid thousands of dollars to get this thing done. Went to the best person I could find. I don't have that knowledge, but found the person who does. And the trading indicator works. And I strategically came out from a pricing standpoint much, much cheaper than all the competitors out there, because I want you guys to use this. I want to help you. I want to help you navigate crypto and do better and be better. There's nothing that makes me happier than seeing other people who watch this channel win. And right now we're running an unbelievable discount. This is not going to last forever. So get in right now if you can. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee. Basically, you could try this thing risk-free. For whatever reason you want a refund, I've got a team working behind the scenes 24/7. They'll issue a refund, no questions asked. But right now, 32% off forever. So if you get in on this now, this will be your price forever. Just use discount code XTLOVE from now until February 14th. This is our Valentine's Day special. And you guys are going to have a major, major edge above the competition. So appreciate y'all for watching the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.